Namaste Yogis. Again, I'm back with a very interesting topic which is called Bandha. Why Bandhas you should practice is very important. If you will not practice Bandhas, your yoga is not going to be succeed. I will repeat, if you want to succeed, if you want to be succeeded, I will go with definition. Bandha is a lock. In modern phase, in ancient time when the yogis were practicing bandhas, bandhas were basically to restrict. So in yogic life, bandhas were to activate those cosmic powers, those cosmic energies by which we attain that salvation. We go in the state of samadhi. If you are a modern or if you are well advanced practitioner as well, it's very informative, very important to know why should we practice bandhas. So the answer is until you don't awake your inner self. So bandha means a lock. Basically we are practicing with locks in yogic way. These are three locks. Talking about the growth is revealed with your spiritual life, with your yogic life. So this is why I said if you want to grow, you want to be succeeded, you have to practice bandhas. So as I mentioned, there are three bandhas. First bandha is Jalander Bandha. Jalandhar is actually to contract your throat. So this is for, I would say, want to stop the energy flow, your prana, which has the area from chest to the throat. For a beginner, the bandhas are important because you keep practicing asanas, you keep practicing other exercises, kriyas, but people feel I'm not awake, I don't feel any growth, why don't I feel any change? The reason is you don't connect with your own power. What happens? It enters directly to our third eye channel. This is the reason we practice Jalandhar. And to mention how to do Jalander Bandha, it's quite easy. What we do, we sit in a comfortable pose, we take a deep breath, we exhale out. There is no prana in. Now your prana is active to the chest. After your practice, what you do, you make Jalander Bandha and you stop your energy to flow up. The reason is we are aggravating, we are forcing this energy. And what will happen when you will open the lock? You will come back under. The second bandha is Udan Bandha. Udan Bandha means Udan is your stomach. So what we do, you know all the force on Manipur chakra, all the power we store on our navel. So with this Uddiyana Bandha, we are activating that power with the lock, or you can say opening. So the same procedure, you are sitting in your pose, you're making your breathing deep inside. As you will exhale, there is no prana working. You start pull the abdominal region. So as you will pull your core, automatically your stomach will be compacted. So that's the work after your exhalation. As much you compact the abdominal area. As you come back, you lose your abdomen. The third bandha, which is called Maha Bandha, which is concerned with your root chakra, how you can just activate that chakra or chakra. So the same purpose with our breath, we will take a deep breath inside. You will exhale longer, not extra work, just to contract your anus region. You're just pressing it upward. It's just a practice to activate your root channel. And as you will be normal, lose your belly. The main thing to observe their working. And this Muladhara chakra is very much with your positive energy. If you are aware about Kundalini, I will also bring this topic about Kundalini. But for now, how your Muladhara chakra activates your Kundalini. And with this lock, basically, you're activating that flow. As Swami Ramdev always mentions that these are your natural tendencies, the bandhas, that you stop your energy, you activate it with the force. In some other practices, it's called like a dam. You are stopping the water, and the same process, basically the process is similar, that you are stopping that energy, that big force, and then like a dam, you're pulling the water, it's flowing down. When it hits to the turbine, and you are producing the electricity. Benefits of bandhas. What are the benefits? When you practice bandhas, what are the changes? The first work is a nice body tone. You will see your muscles. When you are compacting the muscles, they start to come in their natural shape. So for the physical working, the muscles are getting power, they are strengthening, and they are having their endurance. Second thing, when you are keep practicing the bandha, your breathing pattern will be changed. You're aware about how much to breathe, how long to breathe, how to breathe, basically. And the third thing, what comes, those I mentioned, these are the energy points. So what happens when you're making that bandha, that energy is reflected. For example, Jalandhar is concerned with the Vishuddhi chakra or the throat channel. When you're practicing, you're compressing this area, you will find the qualities of that channel. When the chakra is open, you will be so outspoken, your personality will be improved. So all the bandhas have a different way, different working, as I mentioned. If it bandhas have that discipline, as I mentioned, it's for self-determination. When you hold bandhas, that determination comes out from your internal side. So this is the basic fact of connecting yourself. And again, next benefit would be your spiritual progression. You are awake, you feel yourself entirety. You don't feel yourself that you are limited. You are never limited. The next benefit, your energy level. You practice bandhas, your energy will be boosted. You're never tired. You'll never be sick. You get that shine, you get that aura on your face. So these workings are from the bandhas. If you like the video, please like it, press the subscribe button. You always get notification, and put comments, share the video. It will help to bring me to grow and to bring nice topics for you. For that, namaste. Thank you for watching.